Okay, now let's implement the Spring Boot security. So guys, to implement this, what I'm going to do that whichever existing Spring project that we have, that we are going to take. So I have already made this particular project on my GitHub repository. I have already created this project on the GitHub repository. So I'll be taking help of this project. Basically, this project is the student management project, which has a few endpoints like get, then put, post, delete. So I'm copying this Git repository and opening the IntelliJ IDEA. That is where I'm going to clone my project. The IDE is started. So now I will clone the Git repository. So I'm clicking on new, then we'll be selecting the project from version control, and here I'll be providing the URL. So now I'm clicking on clone, and it is giving me response that the directory already exists. That means I have already downloaded this. So guys, I'm not going to re-download it, but I will be using existing one. I would suggest that you should download it and then do the steps whichever I will explain later on. Okay, so I'm just clicking on cancel and going to file menu and going to open recent, and let me find that. Yeah, here it is, student management backend. I'm going to open in this window itself. Okay, and the project is ready. So here you can see I have implemented few mappings like the listing students through the get mapping, getting a particular student information through the get mapping. There is a delete mapping to delete a record of particular student, and the post mapping is also there. The student mapping to update the student information through the put mapping, right? So all these things are already implemented, and along with that, if you will go through the application.properties, there you will able to see that the MySQL related properties are already set. Okay, so these things are already there, and also there is one model called student. Okay, so I'm not going to do any change in this application, the existing application. Okay, I will keep it as it is, and I'm going to introduce something related to the Spring Boot security so that the application's access would be accessible to only authorized or authenticated user. So that's it for this video. Here we have set up our application.